guys, so I am in my studio as you can tell, and I thought it would be appropriate. Sorry about the air conditioning, it's kind of hot here in Alabama right now and it's like December, it's literally like 70 degrees, so I had to turn on the air conditioning. But the whole video is going to be about going over how expensive being a makeup artist is. I did get this video idea from Julie Ruby. If you do not follow her, y'all need to if you're a makeup artist. I literally purchased her template for taxes. It's literally a lifesaver. It's a lifesaver because taxes as a makeup artist is super, like, I don't know, super rare to like hear people talk about it, and I've tried to like find videos to make it easier for me because taxes is so complicated. Like, it's like the scary part about this job is the taxes. So thanks to Julie, I have it kind of more organized and I feel less stressed when I go to my accountant. So hit her up, look her up, subscribe to her. If you're gonna be in this industry, you gotta spend money to make money, unfortunately. You're not gonna obviously go to Sephora and splurge on makeup right away. You're gonna go to Walmart and get good items from the drugstore, and that's how you're gonna build your kit. I remember when I first started, I literally used L'Oreal, Maybelline, drugstore products because I was only 15. I didn't have the money to go and spend it for a full face on high-end makeup. So let's get to it. I hope this video is not too long, just short and simple. I went through it one day because one time I lost my whole makeup kit going to Mexico, and I literally don't remember what I had in the kit because the airline company asked me to get receipts to tell them how many things I had in the kit, what I had in the kit, so that they could replenish me with money. And I was like, okay, they're really not trying to get me my kit back. I literally don't want money, I just want my kit back. So it's important as a makeup artist to literally write down everything that you have because you never know. The only thing that I didn't really include is like the small things, like the metal palettes that I use or like my brushes. I literally collectively got those throughout the years, and I cannot tell you where every brush is from or when I got them or how much it was because it's been a while, guys. Like, I have a lot of brushes. So the skincare slash sprays and disinfecting products like my Cinema Secrets, the alcohol, it came out to $541 with 76 cents. That's crazy. Okay, and then for bronzers, I came out with $374.79. And then for highlight, it came out to be $322. No change, just $322. And then for blush, it's $347 with 58 cents. Okay, for foundations, concealers, and powders, I put them all together. It came out to $1,811 with 8 pennies. So I love complexion, and I try to control my urge of buying every foundation that comes out. But again, keep in mind I have concealers and powders in this category. But yeah, almost $2,000 in just foundations, concealers, and powders. I pretty much have all high-end in like concealers and foundations and powders. I don't really use any drugstore anymore, but again, don't get discouraged, ladies. Go and buy you the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. I remember I started using Pro Matte, the one in the squeezy plastic tube. I used to use that one and with the Pro Glow, and I literally mix those all the time to get like a neutral like finish, not too matte, not too glowy. That was what I had in my kit. And for concealer, I used to use the Maybelline Master Studio concealer. It came in like in a little plastic squeezy tube because it was very hygienic. I didn't have to use the doe foot or anything, and I just squeezed it onto the palette. I remember I used that all the time. Now this category is brows, lash glue, and mascara. This category does not have eyelashes, and I spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on eyelashes just because I need one for each client. I couldn't include that in here, so this is like very light. So it came out to $225 with 35 cents. So again, expensive just for brows and lash glue and mascara. And then for pomades and eyeliners, I don't have a lot of those, but it's still expensive. It came out to $348 with 83 cents. I also included like the eyeliners that you put inside your eyes because I was like, dang, I don't have that many pomades. Like, I only have like 3 from the drugstore because I don't really use them that much, like the e.l.f., the Morphe, and then I have some higher end eyeliners. I love the Makeup by Mario eyeliners. Those are like super creamy. Okay, and then this part, okay, this is makeup kit bags, etc. Like the lights, my makeup table, the mirror that I use, the lip product bag, like this little thing, anything that I bought to store my makeup kit, and that came out to $1,122 with 95 pennies. I didn't include like the little plastic containers that I have in my makeup kit. It's like a rough estimate, so don't take everything like, oh my gosh, that's how much you spent. Nah, I probably spent more. Next page, the lip products. This took a while for me because it was literally everything in this one bag, and it doesn't include disposables. That I didn't include, so again, that's something else that you need to think about. Disposables, I run out like water because you use them, again, only once per client, and sometimes I use 2 doe foot applicators per person, and then 2 mascara ones, 1 for her eyebrows, so that's 3 little wands there. For lip products, it came out to a total of $766 with 81. I know that sounds scary, but it is what it is, guys. Like, I really try to give my clients a luxury experience. I want them to feel like they're getting pampered, like a queen, because it's a special day. You don't get your makeup done every single day like a celebrity, unless you want to, you know, nothing wrong with that. So I gotta have good products, or at least look professional with what I'm carrying around. And the total of everything was, let's see, where is it at? Where's the other paper? Roughly 5,864 with 15 pennies. So there you go. Being a makeup artist is very expensive, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. Like, I really do enjoy this job, and if you're trying to get into this industry, don't get discouraged. You'll get there one day where your whole kit is luxury makeup. Also, if you're a makeup artist, think about shopping on NARS website because they give you a really good discount there. The pro discounts are so much more than when you go to Sephora and get the 20% off if you're like a VIB Rouge. I shop on Charlotte Tilbury's website and they give me a really big discount on there too. Makeup by Mario as well. Try to get as many pro discounts as you can because, as you can tell, we spend a lot of money, like thousands and thousands of dollars, and that doesn't even include like what you see behind me. Like, this setup, it didn't just pop up, you know, I didn't just like open the door and my whole studio was here. And then all those certifications on the wall and my licenses, guys. Now, to be a makeup artist, you don't need to have a license. I do have my cosmetology license, but I decided that just because I wanted to go to school and have a license on the wall, because I was afraid, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't want people to tell me you're not really professional, like you don't even have a license, you know. I don't want people to reclamarme why I charge what I charge. So going to school was like over $20,000 if I'm correct. My parents literally invested in me so that I could get a license, and I'm very grateful that my parents let me go to school like that because they really wanted me to go to college, but I already knew what I wanted to do, and I'm so happy they trusted me and they let me do what I wanted to do because they were afraid that I wasn't going to do anything with my license. But here I am. With those other certifications, they weren't free. I literally went to Mexico for a whole 3-day class, and that was with like the best of the best makeup artists. I try to get like as much knowledge from that class, guys, because I want to provide the best makeup experience for my clients. So I had to invest in my business. I had to invest in it so that I could see my work blossom into something more than what I already had. You see what I'm saying? You can only learn so much from YouTube. So if you have the opportunity to go to master classes, definitely do it if you're a makeup artist or even a hairstylist. I know there's a lot of master classes for that too. But yeah, this business is not cheap, and I wish that was something that someone told me, but when I was starting, I was literally like 15 and I didn't really know how far I could get into it, but I'm really happy that my parents supported me, and I hope this video doesn't discourage you but does the opposite and encourages you to echarle ganas and work your booty off so that you can have the kit of your dreams. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.